Do you want to learn how to make highly engaging videos just like HowToAI? The guy who cracked the YouTube algorithm and made over $1 million from a single faceless YouTube channel and gained around 4 lakh subscribers, all without showing his face. Well, today in this video, I am going to reveal exactly how these channels are making it. Before we dive in, I've linked all the free tools and assets I personally used in this video, including templates, character tools, and editing resources. Everything is completely free, and you can download it using the link in the description. Here's the full guide on how to actually start a YouTube channel like HowToAI. From making character like him, creating script, voiceover, and making trending motion visuals using a secret tool where you can get all the different graphic motion templates. Let's move on very quickly. I'm going to show you how he creates and animates these 2D characters popping up and off the screen. First, go to ChatGPT and upload a reference image. To find that, head over to Google and search a man facing left side with long beard. You'll see tons of images. Pick one that you think has the right face angle. Once you've selected your reference image, paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Now download the cartoon image and go to Google again. Search for online background remover. Upload the generated image and remove the background. If you look closely at the HowToAI character, you'll notice something interesting. His head is AI generated, but his body is a real human body. Luckily for you, I've already prepared a massive folder of characters, already cut out without background. So your job is just to pick the one that fits your style. Now comes the main part, connecting the head and body. If you look closely, HowToAI's character has a perfectly matched color tone between the head and body. To do the same, you'll need to adjust the saturation, brightness, contrast, and shadow settings and PixArt. It's very simple. Just test different values until the skin tone matches. Here are my exact settings. If your character has a similar color tone to mine, feel free to use them. But remember, it may vary depending on the body you select. The next big thing is creating a voiceover that actually sounds humanized. For this, go to 11 Labs and head over to the voice library. Choose a voice you like, but to find one that fits your niche, make sure to use the filter option and select social media under the category. From there, pick a voice that matches your content vibe. Once you've saved the voice, go to the text-to-speech section and paste in your script. I used one of my old video script, but if you don't have one ready, try using vidIQ's script writer. It's one of the best tools out there creating full YouTube scripts, from hooks to conclusion. Plus, using vidIQ's keyword research tool, you can check your keyword competition and make sure your video is targeting the right audience. But before you generate the voice, here's a pro tip. Increase the voice speed slightly. It helps make it sound more natural and engaging. Now to make it sound even more human, edit it with Lexus Audio Editor. This removes the robotic sound and makes the voice feel more natural and clear. Now we've finally reached the most exciting part, creating those stunning motion graphic visuals like this. I know, most of you are editing with CapCut, and I started my editing career with CapCut too. It's super beginner-friendly compared to After Effects, where everything looks like a spaceship control panel designed by aliens. 57 panels, 23 timelines, and a random error message that says unknown error, even though you didn't touch anything. And let's be real, learning After Effects feels like it takes a whole decade before you even know what you're doing. That's why I went into deep research. After getting scammed from many AI tools, I found this useful website called HowToAI, where you can find ready-made motion graphic templates that top editors actually use. They even have a dedicated page for creators like HowToAI and many more, where those creators upload their actual templates they use in their videos, and when someone buys their templates, they earn a commission. But don't worry, HowToAI gives 5 free credits when you sign up, so you can try out premium templates for free. You can even customize the templates online and download them as an MP4 file. No After Effects needed. Everything feels perfect until the moment you download your video. And then, a huge watermark slapped right in the center, absolutely ruining your mood. But don't worry, I found a solution for that too. Just go to CapCut and upload the video. Then click on Remove Background. You'll see a pen tool under the chroma key section. Click on it and simply drag it over where the watermark appears. It'll cleanly remove the watermark from your video. Repeat this for all the clips you need. And if you run out of credits, just create a new account. And once your channel gets monetized, you can upgrade a pro plan. That's it. I hope this video saved you some time and gave you the full roadmap. I've also broken down many other faceless channels. You can check those out by clicking the video right above. See you in the next one, and keep building.